Hello everyone, thanks for joining us again. Today we're going to be looking at Chainsaw Man, and this is an anime that I've never seen before and I haven't heard anything about.
Me either.
So we're both going in blind. I've heard a lot of hype about this anime, so I am excited to try it. It doesn't necessarily look like one that I would be drawn to. But I am really excited to see what happens and where it goes, and hopefully I will love it, and Troy will probably love it because he's the one that chose it for today. And hopefully you guys
should be interesting either way.
Amen. Should be interesting either way. So yeah, let's get started and see what happens. So heavy breathing. Okay. This is giving me video game vibes.
Yeah, it feels like I'm playing Resident Evil right now.
That's what I was thinking.
Are we getting a loading screen after this door?
Oh my gosh, that is exactly what I was thinking.
Nope.
Does he work in a forest?
Maybe he's just on his way to work. We don't know if he has a... He obviously doesn't have a car.
この間売った腎臓が
Oh,
120万
this man is poor.
右目が
Ah!
30万
Wow.
金玉片方売って
Wow. I don't even know what to say.
3804万円悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな
Well, this thing's giving me Jujutsu Kaisen vibes. I feel like this man's getting scammed.
残りが7万
Yeah, it's...
この7万
doesn't
か
seem
ら
like a
水道
great
代
deal
を払
for
って
killing a
他
tomato
んとこ
demon.
にしてる借金を払うと落ちた今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ
Man, imagine selling all of your body parts, almost, and you could barely afford
なんで
a
お前
piece
が
of
今日
bread.
デビルハン
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死ん
Oh,
だ
and
ク
for
ソ
your
親父
dad's
だが
debt. Oh my gosh.
悪魔を飼ってる
It's not
や
even
つにデビル
his.
ハンターが務まるんですかね
Oh,
This
ち
poor
ゃんとした
man.
デビルハ
I
ンタ
feel
ー
that
は
in
な
my soul.
それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ。
I hope he punches you in the face.
このタバコ食った
Oh
ら
my gosh.
100円やるよ
Please
Oh,
no.
please don't do this.
Oh, no!
Ah! Ah!
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
God.
Ah.
Well, as long as he's happy about it.
Oh, well.
これで3日は食えるね
At least he has a cute dog.
この間
Devil
聞いた
thing,
ん
yeah.
Dog in quotation marks.
Yeah.
食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しねえし
So much debt.
Man, I feel that.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな
You feel that part too?
こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえ
Yeah.
しデートする金もねえ夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな
Understandable.
ガキ、物乞いするなり
What a
体を
douche!
明日まで70万用意しろ。
Oh my
じゃ
gosh.
なきゃお前の死体をばらしてやる。
Oh my gosh.
So, these people are hardcore.
They're the worst.
悪魔だ俺を殺すなら殺せよどうせ死ぬんだ
Aww. This is making me sad.
It's fine, don't worry.
Oh.
It'll all be okay.
Now I'm even sad for the
eventually.
devil dog
お
thing.
前も死ぬのか死にたくないなら亀
A little bit of Call of the Night action.
俺の血はただじゃねえこれは契
You
約
can't offer a deal after he's
お
bit
前
you.
を助けてやるから
決めた今日寝たら見る夢食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと
I
食
want
っ
to
て
mom him.
女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ
He needs a mom.
He needs something.
Uh,
Maybe a friend.
俺の母ちゃんさ
Oh, okay.
おー
死んだんだとよ
I am so
Maybe he
sad.
does need a mom.
He needs to flee as well from these awful people.
He lives in a shed.
He
I mean,
does.
ugh.
And they're never gonna let him go. They're always gonna make up fees and.
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたん
This
すかね。
feels like a trap.
It definitely feels like a trap.
もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
But why? He's like their meal ticket. Why would they do that?
デンジよ、俺たちは
This is
君に
definitely a trap.
感謝してんだぜ。
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Oh.
No.
てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。だから殺しちゃうんだ。
This is a bad spot for him. Well, if he lives through this, I guess he won't have to live in that shed and pay back money anymore.
Yeah, that's something. He's in a bit of a rough spot, however.
I think I'm traumatized. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that was rough.
They threw him in a dumpster.
Next time I have a rough day, I need to remember this.
You do, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Might as well chop down some trees when you got a chainsaw, dog.
Yeah.
落ちた。悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。
Oh.
ポチタ。
Did he just heal him?
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
Oh. He is healed. That looks like he's still in control, yeah.
Thanks, Nanachi.
傷が。俺も同じ
So
か。
they just essentially
ポチタがいる
fused?
幸せだけじゃ満
I
足できな
think
くて、
so.
もっといい生活を夢に見たん
It
だ。
seems like it really took Pochita's life.
みんな夢見ちまうんだな。
死ね
Well, there it is.
Yes.
I don't think that's true. He's very good with those chainsaws.
Yeah, he's a pro now.
He really is.
Well, that was deserved.
Yes. I wonder what all these zombies are gonna do now that their boss is dead.
Yeah, shouldn't they all just like
あ
fall
んた
over?
たちの方が
I guess
心まで悪魔になっちまっ
they
た
don't
みてえ
need
だ
the leader.
The revenge sequence happened a lot quicker than I was expecting, not gonna lie.
てめえら全員殺せばよ借金はバーだぜ
先を越されたね。
生きてるのがいますね。
I'd probably be shitting my pants if I were them.
Yeah, fair. I guess they're really good at what they do.
君、変わった
Yeah,
匂いがする
blood.
人でも悪魔でもない匂い。
See, he needs a mom. Oh? Maybe he can go back to normal. He can!
And he has his eye back.
That's also strange.
I guess he's got his kidney and his nut too.
I guess so.
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌をあげるよ。
That's the best deal he's ever had.
True.
餌って朝飯はどうなの？
食パンに
You had him with jam.
No! Although he did want some jam with his bread.
I think, yeah. Look at his face. She had him with jam. That was as far as she needed to go. This poor boy.
How we feeling about episode 1?
Well, I mean, you know that I really just want to mom characters a lot. Like, I just see so many anime characters who need a good mom, and like this boy is like prime needing some mom material. So I really want to mom him and make sure he has bread with jam every day for the rest of his life. Oh my gosh.
Well, you see, he also wants to get laid, though. Are you gonna be okay with that as his mom?
Not in my house. No.
Well,
so
this might not be the right fit.
No, he needs a really good mom. That's what he needs in life. Like, I'm convinced.
Well, you're gonna have to convince him to alter his goals a little bit.
That's okay. It's okay. We've got room. We've got room for compromise. It's all right.
Well, hope you're ready for that argument.
Don't
forget, he could turn into a literal chainsaw.
Why would he harm his mother?
I'm just saying, you might make him mad if you argue too hard.
No. He would never harm his mama. No.
Well.
That's disrespecting your mother. We ain't doing that. So, yeah, I really, like I said, I was super surprised about the revenge turnaround time. I expected it to be a lot longer before those Yakuza guys got killed, but nope, episode 1. Bye.
Well, I'm okay with it.
I mean, yeah.
They seemed awful.
They did seem awful.
Good on him.
Yeah, I like it. It's perhaps a bit much in some ways for me, but I really do like it. I'm enjoying it a lot.
Well,
I know it's weird, but like I think the most difficult part for me was watching him eat that cigarette. That was difficult for me.
Yeah, that is disgusting.
Yeah. So like a lot of
disgusting. At least he spit it out though.
Yeah, that helped. But yeah, I think gross things like that, they're a bit difficult for me to watch. And I don't like torture-y things, so while I'm okay with gore, torture's too far. And some of this, I think, maybe not quite torture-y, but was getting a little closer to that line. Like when I had to watch that boy be stabbed multiple times, and it was just kind of heartbreaking.
The way we're starting off, I just think I need to say buckle up, because I don't think it's going to get any less violent.
Yeah, I mean, the parts that are Jujutsu Kaisen-esque, those are fine. That's not the, I think the part that, like, kind of, like, takes me back, you know. Yeah, it's some of the gross stuff. I'm glad he got back his body parts. Good on him. That is great. I'm very happy for him. I'm also probably going to refer to him as, like, my baby from now on, because I'm like, oh, he just needs a mama. So, thank you guys for joining us on this very wild ride of Chainsaw Man. I'm still a bit taken aback by everything that happened in this episode, but we definitely both enjoyed it a lot, and we're excited to see more of it, and we hope that if you liked it, you'll join us. So if you did like it, please feel free to like, comment, or subscribe so that you know when new material is coming out. Thank you. Bye!
Bye!